Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Libra air sign for the month of December, and this is weekly reading. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your first card and your messages, Libra. Okay, your first card, the Fool. Wow, lot of cards, but I am not. Seven of Wands, Hanged Man. Okay, so I think your person may be stuck on you right now. I think one person in this connection stuck right now. I think it is your person. They are spiritually awakening, but you are in this energy. You are going with the flow. Definitely, you are free from. You are freeing yourself from all the. From all that whatever putting you in back. Definitely you are now free. You are going with the flow. Definitely this is very good energy, Libra. And Seven of Wands, I think for some you are working towards your goals. You don't want to give up on that. For some your person is spiritually awakening. They stuck on you. They don't want to give up on you. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see. Let's pull some more cards. Then we will get more clarity. Yeah, Five of Wands, Ace of Swords, Ten of Cups. For some, there are some disturbances between both of you and your person. Five of Wands, misunderstandings, whatever, very small things. And Ace of Swords, some truth coming out and honest communication is going to be happen between you and your person. And definitely your person want this with you. Ten of Cups, happiness with you. They want family with you. Yeah, they are stuck on you. For something happened between both of you. That's why there is some disturbances. But you are going with the flow, Libra. Yeah, some communication is coming in your way. Your person want to express their feelings to you, and you also want to give clarity to your person. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see. Hierophant, the Sun. Wow, reconciliation. So those who are in separation, if you are waiting for reconciliation with your person, definitely reconciliation is coming in your way, because the Hierophant, the Sun, and Three of Cups. Definitely reconciliation. There are high chances for reconciliation. If you are not in not in separation, definitely your love life is going to be next level. Commitment, marriage. So definitely your person want to marry you. Some marriage proposals are coming in your way, Libra. Yeah. So for some children's also involved in this connection. For some it could be third party also. But I am getting most reconciliation and going for some marriage proposals, and your person want to commit to you. If you are in a relationship, then your relationship is going to be next level, that is committed marriage. They want to give some name to this relationship. Okay, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, you or your person could be. Let's see some more. Two cards. The World, Five of Cups, Six of Swords. Yeah, for some there is separation between both of you. One person feeling very very sad for the separation. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Definitely one person feeling for the separation. They're feeling very very sad, but they want to fix the things between both of you. Six of Swords, moving towards calm water. Yeah, your person want to fix the things between you and their. Definitely they want to fix things between you. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries, and different states. Definitely I think same cycles are repeating between you and your person again and again, for some. But yes, your person want reconciliation with you, or you also want reconciliation with your person. I think you also want this relationship to go to next level. Some communication, I think some honest communication is going to be happen between you and your person in near future. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you, Libra. Then we will get more clarity. Your person current feelings towards you. But one person right now stuck. I think it's your person. They're feeling very, very sad and they're stuck. Yeah, Queen of Swords. See, Five of Swords. Strength. Definitely, they want to express their feelings, Queen of Swords, and they think that you are very honest person, very straightforward person in this connection. And Five of Swords. Definitely, there are some disagreements. I think your person maybe lied to you in past. But they are gaining their strength back and to come towards you and to express their feelings. Definitely communication is the key here, guys. Some communication is going to be happen. Lot of air energies here. So yeah, your person want to give clarity to you about what happened in past, what they want now. They want to express their feelings, Libra. Let's see their near future actions towards you. Nine of Swords. I think the one person who's stuck in this connection is your person. Yeah, they're sad, they're in so much pain, and they're juggling. Definitely, I think your person may be at some crossroads. Two of Pentacles, they're juggling, and Nine of Swords, they're thinking about you a lot. And right now, your person may be thinking about digging the past. I'm getting because they're stuck. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you, but they are not taking any action right now, but it will take some time because right now they are in this anxiety energy. Nine of Swords. Okay, and Two of Pentacles. Definitely there are some issues in your person's life. They are juggling. So maybe they are juggling between you and their career, between two persons. It could be any person. So Three of Swords, but they are in so much pain. They are missing you literally. Yeah. If you are in separation, definitely your person feeling heartbroken and they're feeling very, very sad. Yeah. They're thinking about you a lot. They're losing their sleep over you. I think it's not over. Definitely some communication is coming in your way, Libra. It's not over. For some, there will be reconciliation, but it will take time in divine timing. I think time is the key here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, Two of Pentacles, definitely juggling. 2 times. 6 of Wands. The Lovers, okay, and the World. Yeah, for some there will be reconciliation. Gemini, you or your person could be, definitely love is there between both of you. I think your person have to take decision, final decision, and they are juggling. Yes, your person juggling, and Libra, you always there for your person in this connection. You always committed in this connection, but it's the time that your person have to take action towards you. Okay. I think you are going with the flow. Definitely you are concentrating on your career. For some, even though you want reconciliation with your person, you are putting that energy aside, then going with the flow, the full energy you are in. But your person definitely stuck on you. They want to come back to you, but literally they are in so much pain. They will take action towards you, but it will take some time. Definitely for some there will be reconciliation because the Lovers card with 6 of Wands. Definitely there will be reconciliation, but it will take some time. And the World card means the same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again. So that's called deception in this connection. So you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Libra. Yeah, 9 of Wands, 5 of Swords, Page of Swords, and Knight of Wands. Definitely your person is very, very passionate about you. They want to come towards you. Definitely some spying is going between both of you. I think your person want to test the waters. They may be spying on you on online. And Five of Swords. Definitely there are some disagreements between both of you still going. Nine of Wands. I think for you are protecting your heart. You are guarded up right now. Or your person feel like behaving like this. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Six of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, the Moon, and Six of Wands. Definitely they want success in this connection, but there are some secrets hidden in this connection. You maybe hide something from your person, or your person may be hiding something from you. Seven of Cups, your person having lot of confusion right now. That's why Two of Pentacles they are juggling. Yes, so they are in confusion. They have to make decision. Six of Pentacles, definitely they will choose you. They are going to be choose you, Libra. And Six of Pentacles, they want to offer equal give and take. In past there is no equal give and take in this connection, but now your person want to offer equal give and take. Yeah, definitely they are in so much pain without you. It's not over. Definitely they are coming back, but it will take time, Libra. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you. Bye.